Welcome to the Mindset Build Healing series, where we learn to think, feel, and live healed. Today's topic is when peace feels boring. There comes a point in healing when the chaos stops and suddenly the quiet feels strange. You sit in your room and everything is calm, yet your mind starts searching for something to fix or someone to test. I don't know how many people that are in this situation right now, but this is the moment many people call boredom. But what you are really feeling is unfamiliar safety. Your body has been trained to expect crisis. It has memorized the sound of tension. When calm arrives, the absence of that noise feels unnatural. The nervous system remembers pattern. If it has spent years running on adrenaline, silence can feel like a loss. You might think something is wrong because nothing is wrong. This is where many people self sabotage without realizing it. They start unnecessary conversations, overthink old problem, or reopen doors that were finally closed simply to recreate the rhythm of chaos they once called home. Peace is not absence of activity. It is the presence of stability. The quiet you feel right now is not emptiness. It is restoration in progress. Stillness, stillness gives your mind space to process and your emotions space to breathe. This is where God begins to speak in ways you could not hear before because the word was too loud. The reason peace can feel uncomfortable is because your nervous system has not yet learned that calm is safe. Think of a soldier leaving the battlefield. Even when the war is over, the body still flinches at sudden sounds. It takes time for safety to feel real. Healing is the same. You are coming home to quiet after years of noise. It will take time for your body to rest without guilt. So when peace feels boring, do not run from it. Sit with it. Breathe through it. Remind yourself that you are not losing excitement, you are gaining stability. Let your body learn the rhythm of rest. Turn that quiet into sacred space. Read, stretch, pray, or simply breathe. Let the silence become your sanctuary instead of your discomfort. Over time, you will notice that what once felt empty now feels full. The calm that scared you becomes the peace that sustains you. That is how you know healing has worked. When nothing dramatic is happening and you still feel whole. So ask yourself today, what moment of stillness do I avoid because they feel uncomfortable? How does my body react when there is nothing to fix? What can I do this week to practice calm without needing noise? Write one simple peace practice you can repeat each day: a quiet walk, deep breathing, or reading before bed. Notice how your body slowly learns to trust silence again. Peace is not boredom, it is proof that chaos no longer controls you. When you stop craving intensity, you start discovering intimacy with yourself, with your God, and with the present moment. Let peace be your new normal. Save this if it spoke to you. Share with someone who needs to hear this today. Follow Royal Pearls Health and Wellness wherever you watch content for more healing, truth, and reality. And I will see you in my next video.